In the age of technology, it is almost impossible to avoid social media. With platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at our fingertips, it can be tempting to spend hours scrolling through our feeds, keeping up with the latest news and updates from our friends and followers. However, while social media can be a fun and entertaining way to connect with others, it can also be a major distraction and time waster. In fact, studies have shown that quitting social media can lead to increased productivity and intelligence. One reason why quitting social media can make you more productive is that it reduces distractions. It is easy to get sucked into the endless scroll of your feed and lose track of time. By quitting social media, you eliminate the temptation to check your accounts and can focus on your work or studies instead. This can help you get more done in less time, increasing your productivity. In a world where there are always more tasks to be done and not enough time to do them, anything that can help you work more efficiently is a valuable asset. In addition to increasing productivity, quitting social media can also make you more intelligent. Social media platforms are designed to keep you engaged and coming back for more, often through the use of sensational headlines and clickbait content. As a result, it can be hard to find quality information on social media. By quitting social media and seeking out more reliable sources of information, you can expose yourself to a greater diversity of ideas and perspectives, which can broaden your understanding of the world and stimulate your mind. In a world where fake news and misinformation are prevalent, it is more important than ever to be critical of the sources we rely on for information. Quitting social media can help you do that. Another reason why quitting social media can make you more intelligent is that it can free up time for learning and self-improvement. Instead of spending hours on social media, you can use that time to read books, take online courses, or pursue other interests that will stimulate your brain and expand your knowledge. This can lead to increased intelligence and personal growth. In a world where the pace of change is constantly accelerating, it is important to stay up to date and continue learning. Quitting social media can help you do that. Quitting social media can also improve your mental health and well-being. Studies have shown that social media use is linked to increased feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and low self-esteem. By quitting social media, you can reduce your exposure to these negative effects and improve your overall well-being. This, in turn, can lead to increased productivity and intelligence, as you will be in a better mental state to focus on your work and studies. In a world where mental health issues are on the rise, it is more important than ever to prioritize our well-being. Quitting social media can be a step in the right direction. Finally, quitting social media can help you build more meaningful relationships in the real world. While social media can be a convenient way to stay in touch with friends and family, it can also lead to shallow and superficial relationships. By quitting social media, you can focus on building deeper, more meaningful connections with the people around you, which can enrich your life and lead to increased productivity and intelligence. In a world where we are constantly connected online, it is easy to forget the value of face-to-face interactions. Quitting social media can help you rediscover that value. In conclusion, quitting social media can have a number of benefits, including increased productivity, intelligence, mental health, and relationships. If you are struggling to balance your social media use with your other responsibilities, consider taking a break from these platforms and see the difference it can make in your life. While it may be difficult at first to give up the convenience and entertainment that social media provides, the benefits are well worth it. You may find that you have more time and energy to devote to your work, studies, and personal growth, leading to increased productivity and intelligence. You may also find that you have improved mental health and deeper, more meaningful relationships. So consider taking the plunge and quitting social media. You may be surprised at the positive impact it can have on your life.